To install the vidIQ YouTube extension, visit the Chrome Web Store or your browser's equivalent and search for vidIQ YouTube extension. Click Add to Chrome and grant the necessary permissions for YouTube access. Once installed, pin the extension to your browser toolbar for easy access. To set up, log in with the Google account linked to your YouTube channel. Configure your dashboard widgets to display relevant analytics. Enable features like auto-tagging to streamline your SEO efforts. The extension is browser-based, so no software installation is needed. vidIQ helps improve video visibility through data-driven insights. Use the Keyword Explorer to find low-competition keywords, such as long-tail phrases like easy vegan recipes for beginners. Optimize titles by including primary keywords in the first 25 words for better click-through rates. The tool offers real-time analytics on views, engagement, and audience demographics, including impressions, CTR, and subscriber gain rate. Analyze competitors' tags, thumbnails, and SEO strategies to reverse engineer their success. Optimize for 10 to 15 relevant tags and ensure descriptions are 150 to 200 words with keywords, links, and calls to action. Consider A/B testing title and thumbnail variations within vidIQ to maximize effectiveness.